Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to remove all followers on Threads. Okay, so now the first thing that you'll need to do is just to open your Threads application on your device. Okay, and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then tap on the follower option or followers option. As you can see at the right side, there is an remove option. So all you have to do is just to tap on it and then confirm. After tapping on the confirm option, the follower will be removed from your follower list or followers list. Okay. So as of the moment, there is no option such you can remove all your followers at once, so you can do it manually or one by one. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.